Alright, here's another example of finding the area of irregular shape. In this case, we are given this irregular shape. Now, of course, finding the perimeter of this irregular shape means that we add all the sides together. So we add all this. So we have perimeter equal to 6. We start from here and go all the way around. Plus 9 plus 4 plus 15 plus 12 and then plus 9, which is right here. Okay, well, this is easy to see. 6 plus 9, 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 15 is going to be 34. 34 plus 12 is going to be 46. 46 plus 9 is going to be 55. So we got 55 feet. That's the perimeter of this irregular shape. Now, how do we find the area? This is when it's very important that we always cut any irregular shape into different pieces. Those pieces are the regular shapes. Well, in this case, if we connect this side and if we connect this side, we have 2 rectangles and 1 triangle. Okay, well, we have to figure out the size that we just sketched. This side is pretty easy because this side is parallel to this one and this one. So if this is 6 and this is 4, and we add them together, we're going to get 10. Well, this entire parallel side is going to be 10 feet. If this is 4, this is going to have to be 4. We have something else as well. We have to figure out this side. Well, this is easy. If this is 9 feet and this entire thing is 15, well, this left over here can be found by taking the entire thing 15, subtract the given. So 15 subtract 9. This side here is going to have to be 6 feet. Okay, so this rectangle consists of 10 feet and 6 feet. So 6 by 10. This rectangle here consists of 9 by 4. And this triangle has the height of 10 feet and the entire base of, not this entire base, just this one. My bad. Well, this base right here is going to be 3 feet. Well, why is it 3 feet? Well, if this whole thing is 9 and this is 6, or should I say this is 6 right here? Well, the leftover has to be 3. So the entire thing is 9. Subtract the given, 6, this one or this one, which is the same. We get the leftover 3. So the base of this triangle is 3 feet. The height is 10. Okay, well, this is when we can go ahead and compute the area of all of these shapes. So the area of this irregular shape is going to have to be, well, let's see, I'm going to name this R2, this rectangle is R1, and this triangle T1. So this is going to be the sum of the triangle T1 plus the area of the rectangle R1 plus the area of the rectangle R2. Well, we know the area of a triangle is going to be 1/2 multiply the base, which is 3 that we just found, multiply by the height, which is going to be 10, plus the area of a rectangle. Well, the area of any rectangle is just the length times width. For the area of the first rectangle, it's going to be 6 times 10, plus the area of the second rectangle, which is 9 times 4. Well, it's just going to be all easy algebra. 3 times 10 is 30, multiply 1/2 is going to be 15. This 6 times 10 is going to be 60. 9 times 4 is going to be 36. Adding all of them together, 15 plus 60 is going to be 75 plus 36. This is going to be equal to, let's see, 5 plus 6 is 11, right? 1, keep 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So 111 feet square is the area of this irregular shape.